Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a YouTube song or YouTube video still played on when you lock your screen on your phone. So actually the feature is only available for you who already subscribed to the premium account. So I suggest you to go to your settings and then you find wait a minute. Here you will see the premium YouTube premium option. You just click and subscribe to the YouTube premium, so you will able to play videos on YouTube. For instance, for this video from Alex Horoi, I really recommend this person. It's really good content for you who want to make money. And when I click this one and it play, and then when I go back it's still played in the background, and also if I lock my screen it still plays. So it's really cool feature from YouTube Premium, and I think it's not so expensive. It's really worth it for you to subscribe to YouTube Premium. And that's it. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.